Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? I hope you are fine. I have told you about the Arabic alphabets, huruful hija, and you have learned the full shapes of the huruful hija, their sounds, and their half shapes. Then we done same sounds of huruful hija, Arabic alphabets with similar letter confusion. As we have learned the Arabic alphabets, all their similarities and the confusion, now the next step is to learn harkaat. So our today topic is harkaat. Arabic speakers will not write vowel signs on Arabic letters consonants, and those who are fully fluent can read text without vowel sounds being applied. Example, these are the three Arabic letters of the ayat 183 of Surah Al-Baqarah. Kaf, Tha, Ba. For us to read it is impossible. Even if we know the context, we non-Arabic speakers cannot read this because we do not know which vowel sound to apply in the Qur'an. It is kutiba. When I applied the vowels on it, now we can read it because it has vowel sounds. Ku-ti-ba. This is letting a lot of us to do struggle because of Arabic books are without vowels, and its importance to read to self-study because no vowels are there. So in order to facilitate the pronunciation of the word, non-Arab has what called harkaat, and these are vowels that go above and below the letters. So for the beginners who want to learn Arabic and for the kids, these harkats are very important. So let's start. What are harkaat? In the Arabic language, the harkaat, singular harkat, are the vowels that create a short movement of sound. When the harkat is applied to a letter, it shows how the letter should be read inside a word. Without these harkats or vowels, we can't read Arabic alphabets or Arabic words, so they are very important. Alhamdulillah, as far as Quranic study is concerned, everything is clearly marked so we can read it without making any mistake. Short vowels. Harkat represent short vowel sound in the Arabic language. We start with the short vowel and they are fatha, moves the sound up, a. Kasra, moves the sound down, e. Dhamma, moves the sound round, oo. Those of you who are good with the Urdu language would recognize fatha as zabar, kasra as zir, and dhamma as pesh. Although their name appears different, their functionality is similar in both languages. These are for who are from Indian subcontinent. You call this zabar, zir, pesh. Who can use whichever when you are familiar with, but there are Arabic for these. Fatha, kasra, dhamma. The first vowel in Arabic is fatha. Fatha. Zabar in Urdu. It is the line that goes above the letter that you apply the vowel sound, and it provides the sound a, equivalent to a in English, like ba zabar ba. Then the second vowel is kasra. Kasra, zir. In Urdu, which is written underneath the letter and which gives the sound E equivalent to E in English. Bazir, B. Sometimes it is pronounced Bazir B. That is wrong. It's Bazir B. E, E sound. Then we have the third vowel, that is Dhamma. Dhamma, pesh in Urdu. It is the line that goes above the letter that you apply the vowel sound, and it gives the rounding sound. For example, it ends up with oo sound equivalent to U in English. Bapesh, boo. Sometimes it is also pronounced wrong, like some people say Bapesh bo. That is wrong. It's Bapesh boo. The pesh or the dhamma give the sound oo. Oo. So today we will learn about the long vowels, mad letters. Harkaat represent short vowel sound. We know that a single harkat is a short movement of sound. But when this sound is stretched twice, it becomes a mad. So technically, a mad is equal to 2 harkat, be it fatha, kasra, or dhamma. Long vowel sounds are represented by the letters alif, waw, ya. Alif, waw, ya, preceded by a short vowel. Tanween. Along with short and long vowel, there are other markings that are very important for Quranic Arabic reading. One of them is tanween. Term of writing tanween is basically doubling of short vowel mark. It only appears at the end of the words. It is written by doubling a vowel sign. It is read with N sound referred to as the nonation sound or ghunna. Tashdeed. Further to the vowels, we also have other symbols. For example, shad, shadda, tashdeed. Shadda is written above the letter in the Arabic. We use and it represents the doubling of letter or huruf. It shows the strengthening of the sound of a letter. This is the sign of shadda. The shadda contains 2 of the same letters. It is the doubling of the same letter, where the first letter with sukoon and the second letter with any short vowel, fatha, dhamma, or kasra. Here we have the darasa, we writing the R twice. In Arabic, we use shadda and use vowel sign on the top. We have first letter ra with jazm and the other with fatha, which has a vowel sound. When we use tashdeed on it, it becomes like this. Darasa, darasa. Here are a few examples that you can understand more. The letter ta. The first letter ta is with jazm and the second is with fatha. So the letter when joined became the word yattabi'u. Yattabi'u. Then we have ba letter, first with jazm and the second with Dhamma or the pesh. So it becomes Rabbuka. Rabbuka. Then we have letter Ba with jazm first and the second is with kasra. And the letter becomes Lihubbi. Lihubbi. Although it is on the top of the letter, but it is under the Tashdeed. So it is kasra. Lihubbi. It's not Lihubba. Lihubbi. You can see the difference over here. The fatha is on the top of the shad and the kasra is under the shad. Now all the letters with tashdeed. Appa, abbi, abbu. Atta, atti, attu. Atha, athi, athu. Ajja, ajji, ajju. Aha, ahi, ahu. Akha, akhi, akhu. Adda, addi, addu. Adda, addi, addu. Arro, arri, arru. Azza, azzi, azzu. Assa, assi, assu. Asha, ashi, ashu. Assa, assi, assu. Adda, addi, addu. Atta, atti, attu. Adda, addi, addu. A'a, a'i, a'u. Agha, aghi, aghu. Affa, affi, affu. Akka, akki, akku. Akka, akki, akku. Allah, alli, allu. Amma, ammi, ammu. Anna, anni, annu. Awwa, awwi, awwu. Aha, ahi, ahu. Ayya, ayyi, ayyu. I hope you understand the difference between the long vowel, short vowel, tanween, and tashdeed. Barakallahu feek. If you like the video, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.